Hello, hi. We will discuss the subsector-wise contribution to the Telangana GDP. So there is a real GDP. Real GDP of the Telangana is 6.6 lakh crores, and the growth rate of the real GDP growth rate is 8.2%. It is not nominal GDP. It is a real GDP. Nominal GDP is 9.9 lakh crores around, right? So and this is the real GDP growth rate, 6.63 lakh crores, 8.2% of the growth rate. And the sector wise, primary sector is contributing the 18.6%, and secondary sector is contributing the 16.2%, and the tertiary sector, that is service sector, is contributing the 65.2%, that is the total 100%, right? So highest contribution in the Telangana state is coming from the that is tertiary sector, that is the service sector. Now again we need to discuss the subsectors of these sectors. So among the subsectors, which one is contributing the more towards the tertiary sector, more towards the secondary sector, and more towards the primary sector? So if you observe that the service sector contribution is a 65.2% to the entire Telangana GDP. So in this service sector, again the top is the real estate. So whatever the real estate is there, the real estate ownership, dwelling and professional services are contributing the 22.2%, and the trade and repair and hotels and restaurants are contributing the 16.3%. Again, if you take this one, and the trade and repair is the 15%, and the hotels or restaurants are contributing only just 1.3%. That is, and again the public administration, that is the government service, is contributing the 4.2%. And the transport and communications and services related to the broadcasting is 6.6%, and the financial services are contributing the 5.8%. But exam purpose, we need to remember the first two. That real estate contribution is the 22.2% out to the service sector, and the trade and repairs and hotel services are contributing about 16.3%. And again you need to remember the code. So that is the RTC financial services. R for the real estate, T for the trade, and C for the communication, F for the financial services. That is the order of decreasing order of the contribution. R for real estate 22%, trade for 16.3%, C for communication, and that is a 15.8. So that is arranged in the order. That is you can remember that RTC financial services, real estate, trade, communications, and the financial services. That is the topmost four contributors to the Telangana's service sector. That is a 65.2% is the contribution. And already, so we have we have discussed the primary sector separately in video. Again I am discussing. So primary sector contribution is the 18.6%, and the livestock contribution is the 7.6%, crops is the 6.9%, and mining and quarrying is the 3.1%, and fishing and aquaculture is the 0.5%, and forestry is the 0.4%. But exam purpose, first three are important. Livestock contribution is the 7.6%, and the crops are the 16.9%, and mining and quarrying is the 3.1% of the Telangana income. Top 3 is important. Overall primary sector is the 18.6%. Again that is a mining minus primary sector minus mining and quarrying, that gives the agriculture sector. Because if you remove the mining and quarrying from the primary sector, which gives the agriculture and allied sector, that is a 15.4%. By removing that, 15.4%. And next one is the secondary sector. Secondary sector contribution to the Telangana GDP is about 16.2%. Secondary sectors includes the manufacturing sector and construction sector and electricity, gas and water supply and other services. Manufacturing sector is 10.6%, and construction section is 0.4%, and this electricity is 1.6%. So you need to remember the manufacturing and construction sector at most important, because most of the employment is provided by these sectors only in Telangana after the IT services. So that is the manufacturing and the this construction sector, right? Agriculture is number one. Next is agriculture is 55% of the employment, and followed by the IT services, then manufacturing and construction. This is a type of the employment provided in the Telangana region. So you need to remember the manufacturing and the construction sector carefully overall. So for exam purpose, you need to remember at least these for the purpose. Real estate contribution 22% to Telangana GDP, manufacturing 10.6%, livestock 7.6%, crop 6.9%, construction 4%, and mining and quarrying is the 3.1%. These are the very top rated bits for the examination. These are the direct statistical data they will give in the examination. Real estate 22%, construction is very important. How much contributing? 4%, and the livestock. So if you observe in the vicinity of the Rangareddy and Hyderabad, you will find all the poultry farms. That is a livestock, that is a 7.6%. Manufacturing 10.6%. Manufacturing also very important. Manufacturing sector contribution is the 10.6%. Livestock 7.6%. Real estate and dwellings is the 22%. Crops, so that is cultivation of the crops 6%, and construction 4%, and mining is 3.1%.